Welcome back, friends. Today, we're building a clay and stone furnace in the wild and cooking lamb with vegetables in hot sauce. This method goes back centuries, simple, rustic, full of flavor, and connected to nature. First, I'm picking the right stones for our furnace. Not all stones are safe. Some can explode when heated, so we choose dense ones like granite or basalt. Each stone carries history. Humans have used rocks for cooking since prehistoric times, harnessing nature's heat long before ovens existed. I'm stacking them carefully to trap heat efficiently. Placement matters. Wrong order, and the fire won't cook evenly. It's fascinating to imagine the first outdoor cooks doing exactly this, learning which stones survived the flames, shaping meals that lasted centuries. The furnace is ready. Now we move on to slicing the lamb. This meat will soak up all the flavors from the fire and vegetables. Now I'm cleaning the eggplants. Did you know eggplants have been cultivated for over 1,500 years and were considered a delicacy in ancient Persia? Next, let's peel the potatoes carefully, making sure each piece is ready to cook evenly over the fire. This simple step will make a big difference in the final dish. If you're enjoying this journey into rustic cooking, don't forget to hit subscribe and join the adventure. Now I'm chopping tomatoes and bell peppers, getting them ready to release their flavors over the fire. These simple vegetables will bring sweetness and depth to our lamb. I want to gather some fresh berries to make tea. These little fruits will add a natural sweetness and a burst of aroma, perfect for a warm drink in the wild. If you're enjoying this outdoor cooking adventure, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more stories, recipes, and behind-the-scenes moments. The vegetables are almost ready, just a few final touches left. Everything is coming together beautifully. Now it's time to drizzle the tomato sauce over them, letting the flavors mingle before we cook everything over the fire. While the fire works its magic, I'm taking a moment to enjoy some tea. There's something timeless about sipping a warm drink outdoors, watching the smoke curl into the sky. It's a small pause, but it reminds me how simple pleasures, like tea and the smell of cooking, connect us to generations before us. Now it's time to send the vegetables into the furnace. The heat will caramelize their edges and deepen their flavors, turning simple ingredients into something extraordinary. While the veggies cook, I'll prepare some bread. Baking over an open fire is an age-old tradition, adding a smoky aroma that makes every bite unforgettable. Time to take out the cooked vegetables. Wow, the aroma is incredible. The fire has brought out their natural sweetness and depth. I'll send the bread into the furnace now, letting it bake while we enjoy the smell of our meal coming together. The bread is ready. Golden, warm, and smelling amazing. Just perfect to enjoy with our lamb and vegetables. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you won't miss more outdoor cooking adventures like this. Just look at how vibrant everything is. Can't wait to taste it all.
Super.
I love cooking outdoors. There's nothing like the flavor of nature in every bite. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this outdoor cooking adventure.